V has been an idol, it's no exaggeration to say that he's already an expert at posing for the camera. He learned many tips and tricks along the way, and he had something to say about it in a recent interview. On that note, the slow dancing singer recently answered questions from ARMYs on Spotify's unboxing show. Midway through the interview, he was asked to share a pose that he thinks looks best in photos. Without hesitation, he went on to demonstrate his favorite one. He said that he turns his body slightly to the side and looks at the camera. Before, he used to lift his chin up, but now he found that it looks much better when he lowers it. "Give it a shot," he shouted encouragingly, and just like V promised, this pose truly does look incredible. See it for yourself in the concept photos below. BTS V recently created a stir in the social media world after announcing his unique achievement. On Monday, V, real name Kim Taehyung, shared his exciting experience on his personal Instagram account, which is followed by millions of fans around the world. In his Instagram post, V revealed that he had taken no less than 2,000 photos within 24 hours with the aim of finding his best pose. According to V, the experiment started as a spontaneous idea when he felt he wanted to better understand his best expressions and poses for the future in the entertainment industry. "We are always looking for ways to get better at what we do, and I feel that understanding ourselves and how we look is very important," V wrote in the caption of her first photo. Over the course of 24 hours, V spent time in various locations, including photo studios, practice rooms, and even outdoors in search of the perfect light and setting. He also collaborated with some famous photographers to help document his experiment. V's fans around the world immediately showed tremendous support and enthusiasm for his efforts. The results of her unique experiments were uploaded to her Instagram account in quick succession, and each photo received thousands to millions of likes and comments. Most fans noted how V looked very professional in each photo, showing her professionalism acumen as an experienced entertainer. He looks stylish and confident in a variety of different styles and expressions. Although many of the photos were labeled experiments and self-discovery, many also hope that this was the first step to a new project or artwork from V. Speculation about a possible photo book or photography exhibition has also begun to surface among fans. While BTS V is known for his talents in singing, dancing, and acting, this experiment shows that